Hey, how are you? This is where the real magic happens. Once your setup and profile are ready, it's time to start small and stay consistent. Most people give up too soon because they expect instant results, but online success is a long game. Small actions done consistently lead to real income over time. Here's how to apply this mindset and make progress every day. Step by step, start small, stay consistent. 1. Set one small daily goal. Start with something so small, it's impossible to fail. This builds confidence and momentum. Examples: write 200 words a day if you're a writer, design one logo sample a day if you're a designer, post one video or reel per day if you're a content creator, apply 2-3 gigs a day if you're freelancing. Upload one product per day if you're in e-commerce. Tip: track your streak with a simple calendar, Notion, or habit app like TickTick or Habitica. 2. Focus on improving, not just earning. At first, you may not make money in the first few weeks, and that's okay. You're building skills, reputation, and content. Think, am I learning something new today? Did I improve even 1% from yesterday? That growth adds up fast. 3. Stick to one platform for 30 days. Jumping around kills momentum. Stick to one method, one platform, and one goal for at least 30 days before evaluating. Example: 30-day challenge. Goal: land your first freelance gig. Daily tasks: apply to 3 jobs, improve your gig description. Message: 1 past contact. Result: you'll build experience, improve your profile, and likely land work by week 3 minus 4. Celebrate small wins. Don't just chase the big goals, reward small ones too. First post: celebrate. First $1 earned. Huge deal. First message from a client. Screenshot and save it. This keeps motivation high. 5. Build the online work muscle. Consistency isn't about motivation, it's about routine. Treat this like going to the gym. Even 20 focused minutes a day equals progress. Showing up daily builds discipline and confidence. Try the 2-day rule. Never skip 2 days in a row. Example: progress timeline, time frame, what to expect. Week 1 to learn the ropes. Build your profile, post content, or apply 2 jobs. Week 3-4 get your first reply, small sale, or follow a growth. Month 2-3 consistent content or gigs, more confidence. First income milestone. Month 4+ sharper skills, better clients, scaling opportunities. Mindset shift: don't say I'll try this and see if it works. Say I'll do this until it works.